Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For this time, we talk about on how to find the polar coordinates with the given of rectangular coordinates. So I hope you will like and enjoy this topic. So let's start. So now we have here an example. Find the polar coordinates with the given rectangular coordinates, which is our x is square root of 2 and our y is square root of 2. Solutions. So as we all know, the rectangular coordinates come in the form of x and y, and our polar coordinates come in the form of r and angle theta. And are given, we have a rectangular coordinates, which is our x is square root of 2 and our y is square root of 2. And we need to find the polar coordinates, which is the value of r and the value of angle theta. So now, atong unahon og kuha ang r. So the formula of r is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. So by substitution of x and y, we have the square root of 2 squared plus the square root of 2 squared. And now by simplifying, square root of 2, the square root of 2 squared is 2 plus the square root of 2 squared is 2. So by simplifying again, the square root of 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have the square root of 4 is, we can get the answer 2. So now we have the value of r, which is 2. And now, ato na pong kwaon ang the angle theta of the polar coordinates. So the formula of angle theta and the polar coordinates is equal to tangent raised to -1 or the inverse tangent y over x. So, atong i-simplify ang the value of y and x. So, we have tangent raised to -1 or the inverse tangent square root of 2, which is the value of y, over the value of x is square root of 2. And by simplifying, tangent raised to -1 or the inverse tangent square root of 2 over square root of 2 is 1. So the tangent raised to -1 or the inverse tangent 1 is, the answer is 45 degree. So you can now, so by using calculator, you can easy get the 45 degree. So you can type it in your calculator, so you can get the 45 degree. So now the value of angle theta is 45 degree. So we have the final answer. The polar coordinates is 2 and 45 degree. So that is the example of the how to find the polar coordinates from the given of rectangular coordinates. So that's all.